Hi, welcome back to my blog. I'm Susan Clark with Deep Realty, and today's question is now the best time to buy a house? Well, I'm sure I've talked about this before, and many times you've probably heard me say now is the best time to buy. So I'm going to say it again because I continuously keep getting proven wrong and it keeps getting better, so that's a good thing. But now is an awesome time to buy a house. Homes are value priced. They're priced even below sometimes so that the seller can actually make a big enough impact and get their house sold quickly. So again, they're value priced, underpriced at times, and interest rates are extremely low. I recall refinancing my house several years back at 5.25, thinking there is no way I'm going to get a better rate than this, and I jumped on it and refinanced, and now they're below 4%. It's insane. So I ran some numbers, and just to do a quick calculation, I wanted to see if I was in the market to buy a $100,000 house a year ago, and say I didn't buy one, and now I'm in the market again, or starting to look again, what could I qualify for? So at $100,000 before, if I run the same numbers, and I am now pre-approved and qualified with the interest rates the way that they are, there's only a $120 difference between the price of a $100,000 house and a $125,000 house. So not only are you getting a great value priced house, you actually can buy more of a house because the interest rates are so low. And if I then wanted to look into, say I was going to do $100,000, now I'm looking at $150,000, that's only $240 more in a monthly payment. I mean, that's a huge difference, and you can think about buying a bigger house, whereas before maybe you couldn't because interest rates were higher and the monthly payment was going to be too much. So I highly encourage you, if you're considering purchasing a new house, please give me a call. I'd love to connect you with a mortgage loan officer and start the process of seeing what you can get approved for. This is my favorite part of my job, is helping someone who's never bought a house before and showing them everything about the process and helping them along the way. So, and also if you're in a house right now and you're thinking about moving up, extremely good time, because we can get your house sold, we can get it sold quickly, and we can move you up into a nicer house, a larger house, and it's not going to be near as much as it would have been in the past with interest rates this low. So if you or someone you know is thinking about buying or selling in the next few months, please give me a call. I'd love the opportunity to work with you. Thank you and have a great day.